Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create fun learning activities for kids. Our fun learning activities are focused on reading, writing, and math. Thank you for joining us to learn today. My name is Alex, and in today's activity, we will be learning how to recount a story by identifying the main 5 W's: who, what, when, where, and why. When recounting a story, there are some important details that we need to include so that we make sure we are retelling the story accurately. Some of those details include who the story is about, what the story is about, when the story or main event takes place, where the story takes place, and why the main character may have done what they did. Today, we will be reading a short story and identifying the 5 main W's. The story we will be reading is The Boy Who Cried Wolf.
There was once a shepherd boy who liked to play tricks. One day, while he was watching over the herd, the boy decided to play a trick and cried, "Wolf! Wolf!" The people who heard rushed over to help him, but they were disappointed when they saw that there was no wolf and the boy was laughing at them. The next day, he did it again and people rushed to his aid, only to be disappointed once again. On the 3rd day, the boy saw a wolf devouring one of his sheep and cried for help. But the people who heard him thought this is just another one of the boy's pranks, so no one came to help him. That day, the boy lost some of his sheep to the wolf.
Now that we have read our story, we can begin our activity for today. Before we get started on our activity, let's gather our materials. The materials that you will need are a piece of paper and a pen or marker to write with. Now, we need to identify who the story is about. This is our main character. The main character of the story is the shepherd boy. We'll write this next to the first W for who. Next, we need to identify what the story is about. The story is about a boy playing the same trick on his neighbors, and then his sheep gets attacked after. The next W is when. When did the boy play tricks on his neighbors? He played the tricks for 2 days. Where did the story take place? I would say the boy's home or his farm where his sheep were kept. The last W is why. You may not always know exactly why a character did what they did in the story, but use your best judgment. Think about all of the reasons for why the character may have done what they did. I would say in this story, the boy played the tricks because he thought it was funny, due to him laughing the first 2 times that he shouted. We can use this model when recounting a story or an event to make sure that we have relevant details. Thank you for learning with us today. We hope that you come back and learn some more. Please let us know if you have questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back with more videos soon.